Everyone told me sales was dying. Automation would replace us. AI would handle the calls. Chatbots would close the deals. They were wrong. Right now, in this exact moment in history, there has never been a better time to be in sales. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why. Let's talk about what's actually happening out there. Technology has exploded. Businesses are running automated email sequences. AI is writing follow ups. Chatbots are handling inquiries around the clock. And here's what everyone missed while that was happening: buyers got overwhelmed, inboxes became noise, and people, real people, started craving something that no algorithm can deliver: a human voice, a genuine conversation, someone who actually listens. That's where you come in. Think about your own inbox right now. How many automated emails did you get today? 10? 20? Most people don't even open them anymore. The average cold email open rate has dropped below 20%. Response rates are even lower. But you know what's gone up? The impact of a real conversation. When everyone is hiding behind a sequence, the rep who picks up the phone and actually talks to a prospect stands out immediately. Not because they're louder, because they're human. Automation didn't kill sales, it killed lazy sales, and it created a massive gap for anyone willing to actually show up. Here's the other side of this: the same technology that's overwhelming buyers, it's also arming salespeople like never before. 20 years ago, a cold call meant dialing blind. You knew a name, maybe a company, and that was it. Today, before you dial a single number, you know what their company does, what problems they're likely facing, who their competitors are, what they posted on LinkedIn last week, and what their business priorities are for the year. You walk into every conversation with context, with relevance, with a reason to call that actually lands. The tools exist, the data is there. The salespeople who are winning right now are the ones who combine that intelligence with genuine human skill. That combination, it's unstoppable. Here's what I've learned from years of being on the phones. At a certain point, the product, the price, the features, they become secondary. People buy from people they trust, people they feel understood by, people who made them feel like the call was worth their time. That is a human skill: empathy, timing, knowing when to push and when to pull back, reading the silence on the other end of the line. AI cannot do that. Not really, not yet. And honestly, not for a long time. The era we're in right now is rewarding salespeople who invest in those skills harder than any era before it, because the contrast has never been clearer between a bot sending a template and a person who genuinely gets it. So, what does this actually mean if you're in sales right now? It means the floor is yours, if you're willing to earn it. Stop competing with automation. Let automation do the grunt work while you focus on what it can't replicate: the conversation, the relationship, the close. Learn the psychology behind why people make decisions. Sharpen your cold call opening. Study your objections. Get better at listening than you are at talking. The opportunity is real, but it doesn't come to the passive, it comes to the prepared. This channel exists for one reason: to give you the edge that actually matters in the field. Cold calling, closing, objection handling, sales psychology, broken down every single week from real experience. Not textbooks, not theory. If that's what you're here for, subscribe, like, and share. I'm glad you're here. See you in the next video. Peace.